हेल्प करेंगे कि किस तरीके से चैट जीपीटी का यूज़ करके अपन वो चीज़ बना सकते हैं. हाय, प्लीज मेक अ visual visualization for binary search in HTML, CSS, and JS. I think okay. So okay. So अपन ने जो we have created the binary search. This is the visual representation of binary search. Let's try to execute it. क्योंकि how it's going to react. Desktop binary search dot html. Binary search dot html. What is the target? Okay, so binary search, it is performing binary search from 1 to 10. Target will be 20, then it will be, I think, tough. Okay, are you able to understand what they are trying to do in this? क्योंकि if target is
Yes.
2, it is showing us the visual approach. क्योंकि first 5, then first half, then it is executing it. So
They have made their own custom array.
right. So when we are coding, in normal world, it's not part of learning. When you are literally coding for some development company or something, you should know how to use chat gpt and other tools to do it better. Now let's visualize in algorithm, sorting algorithm also. This is the way how we are going to implement a search visualization, right? Now we can put it for which sorting algorithm you want to see visualization for. Can suggest me the sorting algorithm. Okay, bubble sort. Sai Kiran, basically, we are just visualizing and practicing few things that we were done before the holidays. So let's make a visualization for bubble sort where we enter numbers numbers and all iterations are visible in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we can copy the code in desktop bubble sort HTML. So bubble sort click, enter 10 numbers separately by spaces. So we can enter 20 space 3 space 4 space 44 space 5 2 55 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 99 and 6. Okay, so this is how it is executing itself. Bubble sort in first iteration the highest number went to the last, in second iteration second last, third iteration the third largest number on the top, then 20 will reach over here, then 6, then 5, then 1, 4, then 3 will here, then 2 is here. Now it is sorted, right? Understood what happened, Shivan and Saikin? Yeah, program in HTML and JavaScript basically. So, visualization we can create in any languages. We can use Java, GUI or maybe Servlet JSP to create it. We can use Python also, and we can use HTML, basic HTML, JavaScript also. So you can create visualization of any sorting algorithm that you want to. Uh, that is a way. Cycling, did you tried in last 5 6 days to create some visualization or maybe some project related to binary search or uh, what to say, the sorting algorithm, any sorting algorithm you have applied in any project? Okay, you use the linear search. Okay, so try to make the visualization the way we have created for binary search and bubble sort, and we can use make it for next 4 to 5 algorithms also, right? You can try at your home, try to make it, right? So this will help you to use these algorithm in real world example. You can create a contact list, you can create what to say, a database of students, so that you can filter it out, you can do sorting and searching on that database. So yeah, these are the things that we can do. Tomorrow we'll try to start linked list. So yeah, well, if there is a question what we did in last 5 10 minutes, you can ask, or we are done for the day.